All right, welcome to the course. My name is John Elder and I'll be your instructor today. In this video, I want to spend just a couple of minutes talking about what you can expect from the course, laying out the different things we're going to be looking at, and generally just sort of introducing myself and saying hello. So I'm very excited about this course. This is going to be a lot of fun. So Tableau is a fantastic data visualization tool, and it is drop dead simple. And I say drop dead because most of the things we're going to do is drag and drop. We're just going to move our cursor around, drag some things, drop some things, and create very cool visualizations in really just seconds. So you don't need to know any computer programming to take this course. You don't really need to know any data analysis techniques. You don't need to know statistics or anything like that. We're going to start at the very beginning and very quickly create some professional looking visualizations. So in this course, we're going to be working with dog registration data. So we're going to take some public data from a government agency, import it into Tableau, and then start to analyze it. We're going to create some graphs and charts, bar charts, pie charts, line charts. In fact, if we come up here, we can look all the different charts that we're going to be looking at throughout this course. Very cool. And we can just kind of scroll through here and see some of these things. We can click on different things and they move around. You can see there's animation and it looks pretty cool. We can do pie charts. So we've got blocks of data that we can represent visually like this. We're also going to create dashboards. So we could take a bunch of visualizations that we create, make them into a nice little dashboard. We could add images, logos, text, all kinds of different things. And these are also going to be interactive. So we can click on these things and the charts and graphs move around even in the dashboards. Very cool. And finally, at the end of the course, we're going to create stories, which are sort of like PowerPoint presentations. And we can cycle through the different, think of them as slides, show different data. Again, still interactive. And very cool. So I think you're going to be surprised just how quick and easy it is to get up and running with Tableau. There's really not a very steep learning curve. This is very sort of intuitive after you figure out how this all works. It looks overwhelming at first. There's all these different things all over the screen and it can be overwhelming, but we're going to break it down. We're going to start right off the bat by explaining what all of these different areas are. It looks like a lot, but it's really pretty simple once we break them down individually. So that's what we're going to start doing. I'll show you how to find data, how to import it, how to get going, and it should be a lot of fun. So in the next video, we're going to dive right in and download and install Tableau.
Ready to learn more? Then check out the full course on GoSkills.com. Click the link in the description.